Hello and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a brand new video. And this week on our Magic Roundabout we're going small. We're going down a couple of sizes. This is for the DMC, Diecast Models Community Monthly Challenge, which is any 1/64 scale. So I picked this Matchbox Ford Zodiac. It's in the one of the originals, early ones. So as you can see, it's all a bit chipped up, paint loss. So we're going to try and bring this back to its former glory. So as you watch this go around, I'd just like to welcome any new friends to the channel. Welcome aboard, thank you very much. And welcome back all my old friends to the channel. Thanks for sticking around and thanks for your continued support. It's really appreciated. Okay, all that being said, let's get it off the Magic, get it on a bench and have a good look at it. Here we are then. It's our little Matchbox Ford Zodiac by Lesney. And it's number 33. It's got a tow bar which I'm going to leave on. The grey plastic wheels, I think these are. Look like it anyway. Wheels are okay, it's not in bad condition. It's got crimped axles on one side and domed on the other. Okay, so let's just drill this out then and see how we get on. Got me Big Bertha. There you go, that should be enough. There you go. Lift and separate, job done. I shall put a little tap and screw in that, I think. Or I might have put a rivet in. I've got a Hot Wheels rivet somewhere. Or Matchbox rivet. We'll see when the time comes. So that's ready for the caustic soda. And we can, I might leave that crimp on and take that off. Might be easier than trying to recrimp that. It'd be easier for me to knock that over than it is to recrimp that, I think. I'll see, I'll decide on that in a minute. Okay, so I'll get this apart, get it in a caustic, and get some primer on it. This isn't going to take long, is it? Well, that was a total balls up, wasn't it? I was going to show you me filing these off here. Because I decided to just quickly show you. I decided to go with the crimped end, file the crimped end on here. And what I use is, it's in my file. And it's got a smooth side to it. The rough side. And what I did, I filed off, made that smooth. So when you're filing off the ends with plastic wheels, you don't damage the hubs. Yeah, and I was doing that quite happily, and then I thought I'll just play that back, and I hadn't pressed the record button like a wally. So there you are. So you just pull them off, pull them out, job done. So they'll all be cleaned up. They'll go for cleaning now, and then we'll go in the caustic soda with the rest of it. There we go. So, caustic soda time. This is our little Matchbox Zodiac. Excuse me, fingers, I've been painting. Matchbox Ford Zodiac. We'll paint off it. Looks okay. I've already gone over the wire brush and stuff. Cleaned it up. So we're good for primer now. This post is a bit thin. But yeah. Good to go. I've got to drill the base out first before I prime it. It's a good point. Yeah, so I'm going to drill that base out, tap it, and we'll get it primed and painted. fresh out of paint. Well, not fresh out of paint, it's been a couple of days actually, as it happens. This is the Ford Maritime Blue. Nice colour for this, I think, for the period. So now we're going to do a bit of details on here. Front grille looks alright. We can do that headlights grille bump. It's a bit small to what I'm used to. We can do the door handles. We can do a bit on the back there. I think a lot of these Zodiacs, that panel going the right way across the back there was like an aluminium or a chrome colour, and it went round there, over the top of there, and over the top of there. But I'm not going to attempt to do that because I can't. The lines aren't great, and the tail lights are up here. So the tail lights will be up here, bumper there. You can do a bit of that. I was going to scrape that line as well, but there's not a lot there. It's very, very only just on it, so I'm not even going to do that. So I'm going to keep it basically Matchbox style, as it is a 164 challenge. Oh, well, what have I done? Yeah, I've done the base, put the wheels back on it. Now what I've done here, I re-crimped those opposite like they are, diagonal, and I used these here. They were alright for this size of axle, but I tried on the dinkies and corgis. They're not quite strong enough. They tend to flex a bit too much here. I did buy these purposely to try it, and what I did, I ground the jaws down flat because they were a bit like oversized pincers, and I ground the jaws down flat, and they just alright for these, so that's okay. So it's not a waste, not a waste of money. Right, let's get on. Let's get it on. So they're on, we're ready to go. See what we can do here. We'll go with a grill. Got to remember, this is a lot smaller than what I'm used to. That's what they all say, isn't it? So I just take a time. I'm using a thinner brush for this because it's a lot smaller. Try and keep it as neat as possible. I should do more of these really small ones, really. Got plenty of them. I might do a month of Matchbox or 164s. If anybody wants to see more of the 164 Matchbox and so on, just let me know in the comments. If we can accommodate you, we will. Always nice to get feedback. Always nice to get a bit of feedback. Getting that shot a little bit there. It's funny, you sort of gradually slide your hand down like this. It's weird, isn't it? Try not to put too much paint on because I want to be able to see the features in the grill. Getting there. You've got to keep a steady hand at this scale, that's for sure. Right, 7 minutes. I want to carry on and finish this off. I'll show you when we're all done. Zodiac details all done. Time to put it together. Yeah. Done that bit. Done the door handles. Indicator lights at the back. Door handles around there. Okay. So it's fairly straightforward to put this back together again. Put the tongue in the front. Drop it down. Super duper. Because I'm going to undo it again. So it'll have to be super duper. It's like I said before. These aren't steel rivets. They're only aluminium. So they won't take nothing to drill out again if you wanted to be honest with you. Not like drilling a post out. It's no big deal. There you go. Let that set up for a minute and then we'll put it on the Magic and see how we've got. This is what we started with, the old Matchbox Ford Zodiac. Serious paint loss. Been kicking around a toy box for long enough. So, have a look. See what you think and see what we did with it. Have a look at this. Okie dokie then. We're all ready. She's on the Magic roundabout. And she's in a garage. Look at that. It's the old Matchbox garage. Got this a while ago. I got some doors for it. I just need to fix it up. So I thought I'll just put it in there because it's ideal for this. There she is. In the garage. So we'll just pop her out. There you go. Look at that. There she goes. In the garage. Yeah, this is the Ford Zodiac. There we go, in the Ford Maritime Blue. Not a bad little colour actually. A few extra details I put on it. Not too much, because you're only small. You can overdo it with the details if you're not careful. Yeah. Come out quite nice. I might do a few 64s. When I do them, I'll enjoy doing them. But it's just thinking about doing them. If that makes sense. Okay. This is the DMC challenge for this month. And we'll see you all again next week with something else. So whatever you're doing, be happy. Hopefully be lucky. And we'll see you all again soon. Bye for now. Just let this go round a bit. Catch it in the front end. And cut.